Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start immediately by protecting the watch. Remove the strap or mask the crystal and bezel with tape because you only want metal exposed. Use a microfiber and warm soapy water to remove oils, then wipe with alcohol so you can see scratch depth clearly. Once done, inspect under light and decide grit. Deeper scratches need 1000 grit first, fine surface scratches begin with 2000. Make sure to work in a well-lit, dust-free area before moving to sanding. You now sand along the metal grain. Start with 1000 grit for deep marks, then move to 1500, finishing with 2000 to smooth. Keep the area wet to reduce heat and clogging. Use light, even strokes and count 10-20 passes before checking. Once the scratch is visually reduced, switch to a soft jeweler's cloth and a pea-size amount of metal polish to blend the finish. This restores reflectivity. Make sure to change cloth sections to avoid reintroducing. You finish by buffing the treated area with a clean microfiber until the shine matches adjacent metal. Use short, varying strokes to avoid swirl patterns. Rinse and dry thoroughly, then reassemble the strap and inspect under direct light from multiple angles to ensure the scratch is gone and the finish is even. If you notice deeper gouges or an over-sanded patch, stop immediately. A pro can refinish, or you can carefully retexture with a fine Scotch bright pad. Otherwise, you risk changing the case profile.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.